In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Bamboo Primary won and decided to send Unity Prep first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Unity Prep and Bible knowledge. In the parable of the sower, what did the seed represent? Bamboo, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. The Word of God, the Word of God.
That is correct. So I'm going to ask you not to shout when you're responding. Bamboo, in the parable of the sower, on how many types of ground was the seed sown?
4.
Correct. Unity, science, how many incisors does the average adult human have?
4.
Incorrect, it's 8. Bamboo, how many premolars does the average adult have? Adult human, I should say, have.
6.
Incorrect, it's 8. Local affairs, a visual question for Unity. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Bamboo, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Deacon Mitchell.
That's incorrect. It's Donovan Mitchell, Mayor of Mandeville. Bamboo, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Peter McHugh.
Incorrect. It's Lothan Cousins. Unity, English language, spell lucrative.
Lucretive.
Incorrect. It's Lucrative. Bamboo, spell manipulate.
Monapulate.
That is incorrect. It's Manipulate. Television, a visual question for Unity. Look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character. Bamboo, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Judy Hopps. Bamboo, look at the monitor and identify the animated movie character.
Sister Girls.
The Sister Girls.
Incorrect. It's Zootopia 2's Bonnie Hopps. General knowledge for Unity. Which U.S. state is known as the Hoosier State? Bamboo, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Illinois.
Incorrect. It's Indiana. Bamboo, which U.S. state is known as the Hawkeye State?
Arizona.
Incorrect. It's Iowa. Social Studies, Unity Prep. In which parish in Jamaica was the former Hamden Sugar Factory?
St. Elizabeth.
That's incorrect. It's Trelawney. Bamboo, in which parish in Jamaica was the former Golden Grove Sugar Factory?
St. Catherine.
That's incorrect. It's St. Thomas. Music, a visual question. This is for Unity. Look at the monitor and identify the singer. Bamboo, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Sean Paul.
Incorrect. It's Shaggy. Sticking with Bamboo, look at the monitor and identify the artiste.
Sean Paul.
Incorrect. It's Busy Signal. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Unity Prep on 0 and Bamboo Primary on 2. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Practice active listening. Focus on truly understanding what's being taught. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.